Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. In today's video, I am talking about how our daily day-to-day routines, that is for example small thing like bathing, you can make it a therapeutic activity to heal yourself. I know it sounds very strange, like how just taking a shower or taking a bath can be a therapeutic activity. So I would like to tell you, in ancient India, there are various scriptures and various archaeological evidences are available in which it's been seen very clearly, like people have made big pools in our ancient India and there were steps to go down into pools, and these therapeutic pools are not only found in archaeological evidences but also in Ramayana, in Mahabharata. So these are the ancient religious things that belongs to India, and there also there is, and in these texts also there is elaborate description of these kind of pools which are available in king's houses or in luxurious places where you can just soothe and relax yourself by using various kind of Ayurveda herbs and oils. In ancient India, bathing is not just a process to clean yourself, it's just to remove dirt or outside dust. But this bathing is considered as a healing bath which relaxes your muscles, open up your pores, the skin pores as you know, so that your skin can breathe, but also keep your skin hydrated and moisturized. Earlier it has been elaborated that if you go through various kind of archaeological evidence, like most previous civilization in Indian history is Mohenjo-daro. So in Mohenjo-daro, archaeologists have been found there various kind of pools are there which are connected with steps. So people were using these pools just to heal themselves, to bathe by using various kind of rose petals and turmeric, sandalwood paste and milk. So these are the small things which cost not much, and it gives you a very rejuvenating experience. And the idea behind these modern spas are there where you go for relaxation, and various kind of big hotels where special kind of Ayurveda massage treatments and various kinds of baths that are mentioned in Ayurveda are available. The science behind that is very simple, like they are using specific herbs. So you are going to some hotels and taking this luxurious treatment, but you can also stay at your home and make your simple bath luxurious and relaxing. So the most common thing that has been used in Ayurveda to relax yourself, to relax your Vata dosha especially for those people who have a very tidy and hectic job in which is a lot of mind consuming, and if you are doing very much mental work, not physical work, so definitely excessive use of mind can enhance your rajoguna. That is one of the quality of the mind. Like in mind there are three types of qualities: Raju, Sattva and Tama. Tama is about all the negativity or pressure or depression, and Sattva is all about purity, and Rajoguna, it's more related to anxiety, lack of stability, like all the time something is just going on your mind and you feel like I am not relaxed at all. So for these kind of people, this Ayurveda bath with milk is very beneficial. So what is the procedure of doing it? If you have a possibility to have milk from some farmer, it should be unboiled milk, like it should not be pasteurized, and you should not be allergic to milk. So what you do, so if you have a bathtub in your home, so fill this bathtub half with milk, half with water. So this way you just make a combination. Definitely this combination you cannot make daily. Whenever you have a time for 2 to 3 hours, then only you do this process. But yes, you need to put a little effort, that you need to look for milk from a farmer, and it should not be old milk, it should be freshly taken out milk. And you can mix 50% of water in it in your bathtub. Water should be warm, like not very hot. And after that what you do, you take regular shower. regular shower with mild herbal soap so that it cleans all the dirt. And also after shower, either you can use rose petal paste, and you take rose petals and just crush them or grind them in a mixer and make a paste, and just apply that paste after shower on your body. Then stay like this for 10 minutes, and after that you just land into your bathtub and relax yourself for next half an hour. And you will see, once you come out from this kind of shower, you will feel totally fresh, totally rejuvenated, and you will see like whole your tension and all your stress has gone. And also, if possible, if you have time, there is one procedure that you can done before taking shower, that is called Abhyanga, that is oil massage. Regarding Abhyanga, I have created a video how to do properly this oil massage, what is the procedure, in which direction you need to move hand. So regarding that, there is a link below, you can click on that link and you can note down the instructions of Abhyanga, that is Ayurveda massage, and you can do that massage. After that, you can take shower at your home with mild herbal soap and some oil massage. So, and very mild herbal shampoo or some natural shampoo or some kind of herbal mixture for just cleaning your hair. So, you can clean your hair, you can clean yourself totally, and after that you relax yourself in this bathing tub for half an hour or 45 minutes, as long as you want. But make sure this bathing tub should have warm water, not hot water but warm water, so that it can relax you, it can relax and pacify your Vata dosha. And once your Vata dosha will get pacified, as you know, Vata dosha controls Pitta activity and Kapha activity also. So it is very, very important, if your Vata dosha is into balance, your Pitta and Kapha will come into balance naturally. That's why there is a lot of importance of these Ayurveda baths and showers, because that was a part of our culture in our ancient India. They were using this process just to relax down all the tensions, all the worries, and keep ourselves healthy. If you have a Pitta body type, like you feel a lot of heat in your system, like whole body always, you see like your body temperature is always hot, then what you can do, you can use rose petal paste, like I said, and after shower apply this paste on your body in the direction of hair, and just sit for next 15 minutes, and after that go into this bathtub. And if you have Kapha body type, then you can also apply sandalwood paste on your skin. And because, as you know, Kapha people have a tendency to have very wet skin, and sandalwood paste has a tendency to soak all the wetness. So you can apply this sandalwood paste in the direction of hair, not in the opposite in the direction of not in the opposite direction, just in the direction of hair. And after that leave it as it is for 10 to 20 minutes, and after that you can also land into shower tub. So it is bathtub or shower tub where you have made a mixture of warm water and milk. So adjust the temperature of the bathtub according to your convenience, as ever whatever you like, but it should not be cold shower, it should not be cold bath, then it will not be relaxing or effective. So, and if you are among those who don't know their body type, or they are listening to me for the first time and they have no idea about Ayurveda body type, there is a link below, how to know your body type. You can answer these questions and I will help you to know your Prakriti in a gross way. Also, if you want to know more details about Ayurveda or your diseases or your health style, or if you want to adopt healthy lifestyle or Ayurveda lifestyle, you can also have a consultation with me, but regarding that you need to register first. And if you are interested, please let us know, we will guide you how you can do this. In addition to that, if you have time, if you can adopt yoga in your life, it would be extremely beneficial, because yoga doesn't cost anything. It's just maybe one time learning. Definitely you need to pay certain amount, but then once you learn yoga procedures, these are with you forever, just like these Ayurveda procedures which I am telling you. Once you learn, once you do it, then these procedures will stay with you forever, and you can make use of these at any time of your life, or you can suggest to your friends. Better they can watch video, because sometimes different people have different conditions. And also, if you have pimples or some kind of abscess in your body, then before doing all these kind of procedures, please have Ayurveda consultation, or you consult your doctor, because there are certain kind of abscesses in which you need not to put oil around it, because it can enhance infection. So if you are also among them who have abscess on the body, or some kind of big abscess or small abscess, please don't adopt these procedures, because then you need to take certain precautions, because in certain abscess, for example, there is pus discharge or some other disease that is related to skin. It can be measles, it can be any other thing. Then please don't adopt these procedures, because then you need medical intervention. And these processes which I am telling, it's for healthy people whose skin is healthy, who don't have any problem, because definitely who have skin problems, once your skin will become healed with other medications, then you can go for these procedures. Like earlier it was like this, now you can do it. But make sure the rose petals which you are going to use, they should be of organic origin. The sandalwood paste which you are going to use, that should also be of organic origin, and purchase it from a trustworthy source of your choice. Like wherever you want to wherever you want to buy, you can buy, but make sure like it should be trustworthy without any adulteration. Only then these procedures are effective, because otherwise if you are using some paste which contain chemicals, then these chemicals can react to your body, and then it will not yield good benefits. And after 20 minutes or 45 minutes after staying in this bathtub, what you can do, you can come out this bathtub, then just take a shower with warm water and just remove all the milk that is there on your body, and you will see the difference, and you will feel much calmer, relaxed. It's just like a new rejuvenation and new flow of energy. So I thought I should share this small tip with the people. If people have time, they can have spa experience at their homes and enjoy the health benefits. If you have any question regarding this, you please write down to us. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. Also, if you are watching me for the first time and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, so there is the bell icon, there is a subscription button. Click the bell icon and hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription. You can click this join button and you can support us. So that's all for today. I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to share it with your friends. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and with this note I would like to say, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, bye.